Yeah, as you said, it was a very nice game. So, Hasselfolk, we know, so, Abu Abu, we just started, but me feel say a very good man. And be reason Kwalano so game across Kakra. And the edge, I'm lifting himself up. You started game now has for never born now. But getting about 15 minutes in the game, we came back and he also say boy of mine. And that's good for the boys. Who say game there in Yano in a league match, Ghana television in Yemen is well. Because the nation will see a very good football.
It's a very fantastic game. I'm for say Okwawu be am won deserve Division 1 because in the game my mama has to folk no a CHAN Champions League game. Yan hwe manim time ben in the Premier League.
Afu ya league in the Nyamiadom near because Nkwalano has given me the hope and that's why my boss a match way. So when the going gets tough, are they going to stick their head up and play? They did exactly that, so I'm happy.
Has I there because said Okwawu at me about matches from Division 2, Middle League near about 25 matches unbeaten. So far has need the first team one watch Okwawu. It's no has I there pa no we no a training match. It's no yes said that ya am fire prep because almost pay press libi me hu. By I can see a better prayer for now. The whole thing I say, yeah, a project and we saw Okwawu United a company. And yet individual something will be able to run for his money. A company into Obia and against all cooperate at their own chance by 3 years time. No aba. But more prayer be a more face say move to me ama akaya ho na yesterday a boa mumri no more someone yes because a project yeah but premier straight because Ghana League no a good time where I said traditional teams no eba because say individual type of team making no obi make it for ono business I or person onya na sika ntini player otete ne kakra no kakra bi aba ho a na waton ekwa brochire enu nti ne Ghana ye Premier League no enkoso no by traditional teams ne ba said Okwawu ya story agina mpanifo a wo Okwawu da sebre no mu nyina ka Okwawu mpanifo no abom ama team ne ye run ne de mon support ye ne ye mra ye ba Ghana hwe ene time na start ball no na e Manchester ene Arsenal a match. Now Crawford face say and Crawford mama hair ball. But I'm telling you, say even under Premiership, Nipa Baba hair ball has a ball Premier match crown now who say Nipa ha. Now we crown na ya man call for ama. Yeah, call for no I migrate aba sape mane ama sama han any buy. Na say yes a man call for aba kamube who say yes. Okwawu HSA Oba Premier. Until this time Okwawu for Premier. Simple as that.
Oh, game ni dey na easy but then I say na Nyankopon say scholar na no dey aman bo ni abo ya bobo no na mistake one or two bi yeah nti e be ko na asa correct your mistakes no yeah.
Division 1 sana mo preparation is fatie yen hwe money in the Premier League next season na
I know na easy way trim say the free second about first no sa na e bon pese supporters no on fon support no entire chi say ba bia ko mudi chi no ye on fon ni chi sa no fon ni na say first na band there ye be ba premium.
Thank you very much.
Into mutimi ni ebo game no na ya ho de no form ti efi na so ya sha say dey ye be odi etiri ni kakra yeah no pitch ni nso so ebi mu boso da na ebi mu so aboso da but one thing is say pitch no ma boso bebre sin ye omuna pitch ni on body anti si bi o ma boso no de kwan bia so no e de entimi and decide say we say see
Mobile Division 1 monya good preparations.
Yeah, nya asem can say yeah nya preseason games ya bo bebre ya bo matches bebre one thing say ahoden say nya more fitness no nya more fitness na e betimi da ba Premier.
Okay, last season mo share boso mo the team near Division 1 now the next agenda the Premier League coming season Division 1 how are you going to face it? Are you going to promise the supporters call mine say team no back to Premier League the 2024-2025?
A promise am say team dey kwan bia so eba Premier League ntino omo hwe ni ebe kwan mo
and then so na what share fi supporters no omo mra support team no
me share supporters say so me support team ni maye e say omo support na be den e me adima ba Premier League nti esro mu nyina say obia wo fie bia e so oba na be support Okwawu United emaye. Yeah.
Thank you, Charlie.
Say send Heart of Oak ball or preseason yi pa ni goals almost share. And I'm the back season in Mudia and ye and yasam ketua and your teams na kalmunya ye. Someone want to say Oko United for 8 hour more confessing near Heart of Oak for 80 million and in your waiting year. After game, coaching on what in anudi, what the players in anudi, Omunina elbow Heart of Oak about to say, oh my yard, na oh my yard. And it's only subscribe the Momodia subscribing now. With notification so ato on de bia no e de exclusive ne story a interesting in dia ope ene de bebro ens media e da wase se oni e bodjuma